The electric vehicle world is about to hit a new high in 2026, especially for luxury cars. This isn't just about electrifying existing models, it's a total reinvention. We're seeing a new breed of high-end EVs designed for jaw-dropping performance, bold design, and real sustainability. Sure, we've had the Taycan, Lucid Air, and Model S Plaid, but what's coming next is a leap forward. Legacy brands and bold newcomers are pushing battery tech, software, and driving pleasure to the limit. Today, we're spotlighting 4 2026 heavy hitters that are set to redefine electric luxury. Ready to see what the future looks like? Let's dive in. Ferrari's Electrica SUV is shaking up the purist crowd. Ferrari, known for roaring V12s, is going all in on electric with a dedicated e-building for this and future EVs. This is a ground-up bespoke project, rumored quad-motor setup, over 1,000 horsepower and sub 2.5 second 0 to 60 times, hypercar power in an SUV. But it's not just about speed. Ferrari's challenge is delivering that signature, thrilling Ferrari feel. Expect aggressive design, aerodynamic focus, and a stance that screams Ferrari. Inside, it's carbon fiber, fine leather, and a digital cockpit. Luxury with a racing edge. The real game changer? Solid-state batteries, more range, faster charging, less weight. Ferrari's also developing a unique engineered audio experience to replace the iconic engine note. This isn't just a new car, it's a new era for Ferrari. The Electrica must win over traditionalists and excite a new generation. If Ferrari pulls this off, it'll set a new standard for electric performance. The world will be watching to see if Ferrari can electrify its soul. The Electrica could prove the electric era isn't the end of excitement, it's just the beginning. It's a high-stakes gamble, but that's what Ferrari does best. The Electrica is coming, and it's rewriting the rules. Stay tuned. Now let's switch gears to Hyundai and their Ioniq 9 calligraphy. Hyundai's Ioniq line has been quietly redefining what mainstream EVs can do, and the Ioniq 9 is their boldest move yet. This 3-row SUV is Hyundai's shot at the luxury segment, targeting families who want space, style, and cutting-edge tech. Built on the eGMP platform, it boasts 800-volt architecture for ultra-fast charging, 10% to 80% in under 25 minutes. Dual-motor all-wheel drive is expected, with around 400 horsepower and brisk acceleration, perfect for family road trips. The real story is inside, a spacious, lounge-like cabin with sustainable materials, swiveling captain's chairs, and a panoramic digital dashboard. Hyundai's latest software and user interface will be front and center, making the tech experience seamless. Features like vehicle-to-load turn the car into a mobile power source, run your gadgets, or even power essentials during an outage. The exterior? Bold, futuristic, and instantly recognizable, with signature pixel lighting and a sleek, aerodynamic silhouette. Hyundai isn't just chasing luxury, they're democratizing it, offering high-end features at a more accessible price. The Ioniq 9 calligraphy is for modern families who want it all: space, sustainability, and style. It's Hyundai's way of saying luxury doesn't have to come with a six-figure price tag. This SUV could bring premium electric mobility to a much wider audience. It's a compelling package, practical, stylish, and packed with tech. Hyundai is proving they can compete with the best, not just on value, but on innovation and design. The Ioniq 9 is a statement. The future of family SUVs is electric, and it's here now. Expect it to shake up the segment and force rivals to step up their game. Hyundai's confidence is clear. They're not just following trends, they're setting them. The Ioniq 9 calligraphy is a heavy hitter in its own right. It's about making luxury EVs accessible, practical, and desirable. This is the next evolution of the family car, and it's electric. Hyundai is ready to lead. The Ioniq 9 is coming. Watch this space. Now let's see what Cadillac has in store. Onward. Next, let's talk about Cadillac's electric performance leap, the 2026 Optiq V. Cadillac's V-Series has always meant serious power and track-ready fun. Now they're bringing that spirit to EVs. The Optiq V is a compact luxury crossover, but the V badge means it's built for thrills. Expect a dual-motor Ultium powertrain with over 550 horsepower and instant torque. Sub 4 second 0-60 times are likely. But it's not just about speed. Cadillac's V-Mode lets you customize steering, suspension, throttle, and even the sound profile. You get a comfortable cruiser for daily drives, and with a button press, a sharp, responsive machine for the weekend. Magnetic ride control keeps the ride smooth yet sporty, adjusting in real time for comfort or cornering. The design is aggressive, lower stance, bold front fascia, big wheels, and performance cues that make it stand out. Inside, expect sport seats, a thick rimmed steering wheel, carbon fiber accents, and a massive, curved display with V-specific graphics. The Optic V is Cadillac's answer to German rivals like the BMW iX M60 and Mercedes-AMG EQE SUV. It's about proving American electric performance can be just as exciting and luxurious. Cadillac wants to show that the V-Series DNA thrives in the electric era. The Optic V is practical for daily life, but ready for spirited driving whenever you are. It's a crossover that can handle school runs and autocross events alike. This is Cadillac's flag in the ground. Electric can be thrilling, not just efficient. The Optic V is a statement of intent. Cadillac is here to compete at the highest level. If they nail the tuning, this could be a true electric V-Series legend. The future of American performance is electric, and Cadillac is leading the charge. The Optic V is coming soon. Get ready for a new kind of V. Cadillac's electric era starts now. The competition should be worried. This is the new face of American luxury performance, and it's electric. Let's see how BMW responds. On to the final contender. Finally, let's talk BMW, the brand that defines the sports sedan. The 2026 i5M is set to be the electric M5, aiming to be the new benchmark for electric performance sedans. This isn't just a faster i5, it's a full M-Division rework, likely with a quad-motor setup for insane agility and control. Power could top 700, maybe even 1,000 horsepower, putting it in direct competition with the Taycan Turbo S and Model S Plaid. But for BMW M, it's about more than numbers. It's about how the car feels on the road and track. Expect advanced AI-powered suspension that reads the road ahead and adapts in real time, balancing comfort and razor-sharp handling. The i5M will look the part. Flared arches, aggressive bumpers, carbon roof, and a signature M rear diffuser. Inside, it's all about the driver. Deeply bolstered M seats, M steering wheel, and unique graphics on a massive curved display. BMW is also reimagining the sound experience, working with composers like Hans Zimmer to create a dynamic, emotional electric M sound. The i5M must prove that electric can be just as thrilling and engaging as the legendary M5s of the past. BMW's goal beat rivals not just on speed but on driving dynamics, build quality, and the overall experience. Weight is a challenge, but BMW's engineering, carbon fiber, advanced suspension, and torque vectoring aims to make the i5M feel light and agile. This car is the embodiment of BMW's ultimate driving machine philosophy for the electric age. It's a direct challenge to Porsche and Tesla, but with that unmistakable M character. The i5M is more than a fast EV. It's a statement that the soul of M-Division is alive and well, even without a combustion engine. BMW fans, this is the car that has to win you over to electric. The future of the sports sedan is here, and it's electrifying. The i5M is coming to set a new standard. Get ready for the next chapter of M performance. BMW is all in on electric, and they're not holding back. The competition is fierce, but BMW is aiming for the top. The i5M is the car to watch. The electric M legend begins now. This is the future of driving excitement, and it's electric. Stay tuned for more. Let's wrap up. Here's what it all means. 2026 is a turning point for luxury EVs. Faster, smarter, and more ambitious than ever. The real breakthroughs are in software, suspension, and battery tech, making these heavy cars feel agile and fun. From Ferrari's solid-state gamble to Hyundai's family luxury and Cadillac and BMW's electric performance, the message is clear. Boundaries are being pushed. These aren't just electric cars, they're flagship statements, designed to be the most desirable vehicles on the road. The competition is fierce, and that means better choices and more excitement for all of us. Which 2026 EV are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives on the latest in electric luxury. See you in the next one.